Hey guys, welcome back to another one. In this video, I'll show you this very hidden but very useful trick in Canva. So as you can see, I've just imported this basic image of a little tree. And now if you look up here, it has these three colors. Now these are actually some of the main colors from the image that Canva's detected. Now if we select this blue one and we change it, as you can see, it's actually selected the sky, which was blue. And now we can actually change it to one of these colors. We could change it to red, a lighter blue, orange for example, but these colors here are actually the photo colors from the palette of the image. So if we change this back to say this blue, now if we select the darker green, which would be the tree, and we can turn it black, and it's also actually, selected the grass, black, blue, light blue, etc. So there's of course a lot of different possibilities with this, and it's a very useful trick to just change the colors of your image, or actually to find the color palette of your image. Anyways, if that was helpful, let me know down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.